What's up, alchemists? Yesterday, I put our first Python challenge out, and today we're going to cover in depth and unravel the secrets of string indexing and reversal. In the world of Fullmetal Alchemist, to obtain something of equal value must be lost. But what if, instead of losing, we simply transform? Let's imagine that we're an alchemist and we discovered a scroll with an alchemical formula on it. But there's a little twist. The formula's name is written backwards. The formula reads as such. It looks like a riddle, and to uncover its secrets, we have to give the right Python commands, and in exchange, will provide us the true meaning of this formula. The task is pretty straightforward. So in Python, we have to create a variable by giving it a name and then assigning a value to it. For this task, we're going to create a variable called formula, and we're going to assign our backward string. Once we have that set up, this is where the magic is going to happen. Python strings can be indexed, sort of like lists, which allows us to access specific characters. But there's more to just accessing specific characters. We can use a technique called slicing, which allows us to access chunks of a string. We can even reverse it, and by doing this, we'll make a new variable called solution. We'll then use the variable of formula. We will then create our square brackets, first colon, second colon, and -1. And this, essentially, we're telling Python to start from the end of the string and work its way to the beginning, effectively reversing it. So let's just dive into a little bit more what's actually happening. In our index, we are slicing, and the first column denotes that the starting point of the slice, and because it's left empty, it defaults to the beginning of the string. The second colon is denoting the ending point of the slice, and because it's left empty, it defaults to the end of the string. The -1 is a step, and a step of -1 means we're going to go backwards. So effectively, we're reversing the string. So we'll take our solution, we'll put it through our print function, and we'll go ahead and run this code, and we effectively reversed our formula. And just by giving a little bit of our time and the Python know-how, we unveiled the ancient secret without losing anything. This is the coder's version of equivalent exchange. We input code, and in return, we receive knowledge. How did the law of equivalent exchange work for you? Were you able to crack the code and unveil our artifact's true name? Let me know your thoughts and share any comments you have below. Any questions, I will gladly help and answer them. And just remember, whether you're doing alchemy or encoding, there's always a balance. For every effort you put in, there's always a reward waiting. So keep harnessing the power of equivalent exchange, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, alchemists.